Hi everyone, I hope you are having a happy Sunday. This week I filmed myself planning in the Hobonichi Cousin Planner, the weekly section. And before I get started, I'm going to warn you, a lot of my weeks are very repetitive because I basically do the same thing every week. Especially this week, I put in a lot of hours towards working because I had my 21st birthday sale on Friday. My actual birthday was several weeks ago, but I decided to just hold the sale on Friday. So yeah, this week was incredibly busy. To start off with the sidebar, I used this foiled emoji head to mark in that this was the sale week, and then I lettered in work and made a little chart thingy for tracking how many hours I work. The brush pen that I'm using is the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. And then underneath I lettered in this week and made kind of like a main task or event of each day of the week thing. Moving on to the actual week, I put down this really pretty, I'm not really sure how to describe this color. I think it's like a bluish gray bow washi tape from Simply Gilded, just to kind of block off the first few hours of the day. And then I used the unicorn onesie working emojis to mark in my 3 internship shifts on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And actually, this coming week is my last week at my internship because after that I will be flying back to Toronto, and then I'm going to be continuing university, which is so crazy. It's my last year. Anyways, I then put down, or I guess I made a little swatch using my Tombow dual brush pens. My shifts are always 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. so I just pre-marked that in. I had 2 meetings on Monday, so I just marked those in. I do go by the hourly timestamps. After my shift was over, I had to sneak the vinyl freebies for the birthday sale. I just put down this sticky note sticker which coordinates with the City Life collection from my shop, and yeah, I am very excited for the vinyl stickers. So a little bit of a tangent, but whenever I do vinyl freebies for my sales, like my birthday sale, I always have to estimate beforehand like how many orders I'm expecting and the average order value, I guess, because I give different amounts of vinyls for different spending tiers. And yeah, this time I'm not sure if it's self-esteem issues or if I'm just terrible at estimating, but you guys completely blew me out of the water, and I actually have to reprint another batch of the vinyls, and I'll probably do a little extra so that I can also release them in the shop later on. Anyways, I then put down this sort of headphones emoji. I don't actually have headphones. I usually just use speakers or AirPods, but yeah. I watched some Netflix and I started doing listing photos on Monday. Then I put down this coffee cup sticker from Fox and Cactus to mark in that I made some chai latte, and then I worked very, very late on Monday. For Tuesday, I put down this early bird sticker from my shop to mark in that I had to reply to some messages. And then Tuesday was a very heavy work day for my business. To mark my internship, I used gray, and then to mark my TCMC work, I used this like light lavender color. So yeah, I just marked in work. Then I put down this record doodle sticker from Obsessed with Cute, and I actually filmed this first part of the plan with me on Tuesday. And then I continued work after that, and then I was running into shipping issues with the pouches, so I just checked in on that, and then later that night I continued working. And then since I filmed this clip on Tuesday, I just quickly kind of went back to the sidebar and filled in the work chart. So again, because I'm marking my internship with gray, I used the bullet tip of the gray Tombow dual brush pens to put in a dot at the 8-hour mark, I believe. Is that correct? Yes. And then to track the work hours I put into my business, I just counted the squares on the actual days and then marked that in. I think I put in 4 hours for 4 hours for Monday, and then like 13 or 14 hours for Tuesday, which later on you'll see it gets a little bit crazy. Anyways, moving on to Wednesday, again, I just marked in work for my internship, and I had a meeting that day and I had a quick call with my boss, so I just put down this speech bubble sticker from my shop. Then after my internship, as expected, I did work for my business. So basically how I structured this week, Monday I did all of the listings for regular stickers, and then Tuesday I did listings for Halloween, and then Thursday I did listings for autumn. And then Thursday was just like doing any little things that I wasn't able to get done before. And then I had not worked out in like a week and a half and I was feeling terrible. So I just put in this bubble butt emoji to mark in that I wanted to do a late night workout. And then after that, I continued work for my business. Moving on to the second half of the week, again, Thursday was an internship day and I had 2 meetings once again. So I just marked those in as usual. And then after my internship shift, instead of jumping straight into preparing for Friday's sale, I wanted to just unplug a bit and relax and eat some snacks. So I put down this unplug sticker from my shop. But then after that, I continued working and preparing for the sale. And I basically did that the entire night. And I don't think I slept very well, or very much rather, the night of Thursday. So yeah, I just wrote in a bunch of things that I had to do. And then I also put down this feeling down doodle sticker for my shop because as I mentioned on Instagram and also in my Facebook group, I was running into pouch issues, like the new stationery pouch that I sneaked. So I was feeling just really sad about that. But yeah, that is okay. Then, yeah, I just wrote in more things that I had to do. And then moving on to Friday, I was trying to take off the washi because I realized that on Friday I woke up really early too, just to make sure that everything was in order for the sale. But the Hobonichi paper is really thin, so even washi tape is really hard to remove. And instead of like crinkling the pages, I decided to just leave it down. And instead I layered this other sticky note sticker also from the City Life collection. And I just wrote down that I wanted to prepare for the sale. And then underneath, I used my Tombow brush pen to make a large swatch. And basically, whenever I do sales, like really large sales, I need to stay online for several hours at a time to make sure that there are no issues. And unfortunately, there were so many issues yesterday, just like technical difficulties, which I will definitely need to fix for future events. But overall, I'm very happy with how like the stock levels and stuff went. And then after that, I put down this sort of distressed panda doodle sticker from Stick With Me shop to mark in that I didn't eat breakfast that day. So instead, I went to a local cafe to have some treats and have a cappuccino and reply to some emails. And I just put down a coffee cup emoji for that. And then after that, I had to pick up some art prints. And then later that evening, I just continued working. I got through about 200 emails, which is pretty insane. I put down this I'm okay, I guess sticker for my shop because I was overall feeling kind of overwhelmed with a lot of good things and also a few bad things. But yeah, that's like one of my favorite stickers ever. Thank you so much for watching this plan with me. And next week is either going to be I think it'll be a back to school stationery haul. I'm still waiting for my Archer and Olive notebook to come in, but it actually hasn't shipped yet, so I think I'll just do my haul without it. But other than that, I have a lot of fun things to share with you. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!